So this is the new assembly video. I'm gonna show you everywhere there's a heated insert, the M4 by 12 millimeters. There's two on the project I showed on I put on printables. Here's the four main beams that that need inserts. Have it. Now there's two on each side of the post, two on top, and two for the lever housing. So there's four heated insert by post and two on top. So there's 4 plus 2 equals 10. And there's about 20 for the base. Now here's the way I assemble it. As you can see, I use the tethers, the anchors. You might want to glue them because they slide. They have a tendency to slide, and I might redesign the holes so they don't actually, you know, go right in front of the opening, but that's a design. At least there's one side that's working, so you just have to slide it on the right side. So this is the beam with the support. If you look closely to the beam and support, you'll see there's an inscription. So I even put an image on the printables on the the way it's supposed to be printed, the side. So So now I'm installing the gear. I do not recommend to over tight since the tolerance are pretty tight already. So if you over torque it, you might lose the appropriate free play needed for it to work. So no over torque, just plain old finger torque. So Same thing there. Man, what's taking you so long, man? Hurry up. All right. So it's moving freely. So that's the toggle lock and the sleeve. Yeah, that's it. You got it. So here you go. Again, do not over tight. I even recommend to install all the bolts, not uh, not fully torqued, and then after, when everything is installed, just give it a little go, just to tighten it up, tight it enough, um, because there's this is plastic, so there's a lot of moving parts, and if you torque them all the way before it's fully assembled, it might be a bit crooked, and it could stay that way because the plastic has creep. So it's always better to assemble than torque it all. So now I will show you right now what does it do if you over torque the sleeves on the toggle lock. Yeah, I forgot one part on both posts. So that's the lock mechanism. It's a simple lock. I find that sometimes we overthink stuff, so I made it super simple. You know, simple but easy to use, easy to assemble. Now you'll see. If it's too tight, it might not. If you unlock it, if you unlock it and lock it back, it might stay a bit high. And you see, it's gonna go up. It goes both ways. Even lock on lock, whatever. So you'll see. I will. Uh, if it happens, just unscrew it just a bit, and it will move freely. All right. So now we're gonna install the other side right about now. too much flexibility while printing. So I think one time it fell, it knocked it off. But after that, I printed the two others and was printing fine with the bigger size. So now I'm installing the gantry. Now, in the first video I posted, I've shown the upper part, the lever part. So I will not explain it in this one. Now just simply. So I'm coming up with a video. Thank you for watching. For installing the for installing the lever part with the cables. So yeah, that's how it works. Next video, I'm gonna show you how to put the threads. Thank you for watching.